This is a quick movie just showing you how to use a Photometrics EMCCD camera inside NIS Elements. So the first thing to do is obviously to install PVCam from our website and then install Elements software. When you install Elements, you have to actually select that you want to use Photometrics camera for the driver to be picked up. Now we've already installed it here, so how would I actually activate the camera if I'd already installed it? And to do this I just go to Start, All Programs, NIS Elements and Modify Installation. And it's from here that I can actually just step through Modify, Next, Next, and actually just select Photometrics and make sure this is ticked. Okay, I'm going to cancel that because I'm already done. And now I can just start the software. Okay, now while this loads up, let's just see. I now get to select my camera, Roper Scientific for Photometrics. And we should just be launching. Here we are as the splash screen. Right. Okay, perfect. So now I want to get the camera controls up. So I right click and I'm going to go Acquisition Controls, Evolve Settings. Okay. Now I'm going to want to dock this to the right hand side. So I'm just going to click and then right. And this allows me to pick up this and just move it and dock it. And I'm going to do the same with some visualization tools. I like to have a histogram. So I'm going to grab that again. Get it and dock it, and finally I'm going to have a visualization control. I'm going to have a lookup table, and I'm just going to bring this here and dock it. Perfect. So now let's just get an image open. Cool. So I'm actually going to start in non-EM mode, and I'm now actually got an image here. Okay, and I will just click on my histogram to look at the best fit. Here we are, we're looking at a low signal. So I can control my binning and I can control my bit depth if I want to. I can also just come in here and maybe we give this say 30, maybe 50 milliseconds of exposure time. So I get my image up nice. Now this is operating currently, because multiplier is not ticked, in non-EM mode. And I have the gain here, and the gain refers to, here I am, should be referring to electrons per grayscale. So I'm actually going to switch on the multiplier. And I'm going to apply, so that's no EM gain. I'm going to apply like 100x EM gain just to reduce the read noise to about 4 electrons. Okay, so that's pretty nice. And we're now fully in EM mode, which is great. And I've got a histogram here. So what else could I do? Well, I can actually operate the camera in quant view mode. And if I tick this on, now actually, when I'm in quant view, any number that I report in terms of a grayscale is going to be in electrons, which is pretty cool. We can also change the preamp gain if we want to, so we can actually change again here 2, 3, 6, so on, their preamp amplification gain settings. I can change some other settings with the camera as well. I can actually change under camera settings, I can change the calling temperature. As long as I calibrate to the calling temperature, that should be fine. And I can change the clearing mode. It's set to automatic. But we can also manually override and do clear pre-expose for standard individual time-lapse images, or clear pre-sequence for anything advanced like streaming and so on. Okay, so I'm going to set that to clear pre-sequence, which is pretty good. Okay, I also have the opportunity to use the BERT modes here if I want to. It's a pretty well-packed driver. Okay, so next up, we can just grab a single image by pressing snap. That's going to give me one frame. Or I can actually go under require to time-lapse, and maybe I want to just take a movie. So here we are. So I can set to take an image every second. If I want to stream and take a movie, I just say no delay and 5 seconds. So I get 5 seconds worth of data, and I just press run now. And now I'm actually seeing my image live, grabbing frames as we go through. Okay, I hope that helps. If you have any more questions, please ask your local dealer, agent, or sales office. Thanks.